Yes, so first question is fill in the blanks question. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So first question is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks question first. First one is network is a collection of two or more computers connected with two or more. Network is a collection of two or more computers connected.
Sir,
Page number 87 in the book. Connected to
okay, sir.
one another. Connected to one another. To share. Anyone answer? किसी को आंसर पता है तो बताइए. Network is a collection of two or more computers connected to one another to share either data or information. Either data or what? Information. If you see the option, in the option data is not given. What is given? Information. So the answer is information. Data is not given in the option. So the answer is information. What is the correct answer? The answer is information. Right answer is information. So second question. WWW stands for WWW stands for what? WWW stands for World Wide Web. World Wide Web. WWW stands for World Wide Web. The answer of second one is WWW stands for World Wide Web. World Wide Web. Next question. Third one. Fill in the blanks is a collection of web page. Fill in the blanks is a collection of web page. So answer is website. Website is a website is a collection of web page. Website is a collection of web pages. Website is a collection of web pages. Question number 4. Dash and Dash are the two most popular web browser. So fourth one is, answer of fourth one is Google Chrome, Google Chrome and Internet Explorer Google Chrome and Internet Explorer. This is the answer, both Google Chrome and Internet Explorer. Google Chrome and Internet Explorer are the two most popular web browser. Two popular web browser. Google Chrome and Internet Explorer are the two most popular web browsers. Everyone done up to here? Fifth one.
Yes, sir.
The first page, the first page of any website, the first page of any website is
Page. Page.
the first page of any website is known as the first page of any website is known as what? Index page is known as index page or home page. So in your book, option given option is home page. So the answer is home page. Everyone done or not? Yes, everyone completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the next one is fill in the blanks. Next one is fill in the blanks. Next part is fill in the blanks. Next part is straight, true and false. Straight, true and false. True and false. Straight, true and false is the next one. Straight, true and false is the next one. So first one is first one. Concentrate here. A website is a special program. Website is a special program to access information. To access information. Still in the background, some students are there. They are talking with their parents. कुछ ऐसे स्टूडेंट हैं जो पीछे अपने गार्जियन से बात कर रहे हैं. Everyone start the video first. Abhishek Raj, start your video. Kumari Deepika, Puneet, Divyanshi Verma. Puneet is there. Puneet, yes. Divyanshi Verma. Divyanshi Verma. So, Divyanshi Verma will be removed from the class. Her video is not started. Divyanshi Verma, Prince Raj, start your video. Otherwise, I will remove both of you. Okay. So see here, website is a special program to access information. So website is a special program to access information. Answer is, so answer of first one is, website is not a special program to access information. Software is a special program to access the information. Software is a special program to access the information. So the first option is wrong. The answer is false. Second question. An email is sent through internet. An email is sent through an internet. An email is sent through an internet. So the answer is true. Third question. An ISP. ISP means Internet Service Provider. Internet Service Provider. Internet Service Provider. An ISP is the company.
दूसरा देखेंगे लिखना
An ISP is the company that gives access, that gives us
पढ़ाते हैं
access to the internet for fees. For fee. ISP is the company that gives us access to the internet for fees. By charging the money, they are providing the what? Internet. So it is correct. True. Fourth one. Fourth question is, fourth one. Question number fourth. The World Wide Web is not a part of the internet. World Wide Web is not the part of internet. So World Wide Web is also the part of internet. So answer is false. World Wide Web is also a part of internet. So because of that, this one is wrong. False. Up to here, everyone done? Then I will share the screenshot also in the WhatsApp group. Don't worry. Up to here, everyone written or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Wait.
Now next one. Now the next one. I am removing this. Yes, what is going on in the background? पीछे क्या हो रहा है? समझ में नहीं आता है. So see here, the first question is, so the first question is, Dash is one of the most popular search engine. So lot of search engine. Dash is one of the most popular search engine and has been founded by Larry Page. So see here the answer. Answer is Google. Google is one of the search engine. Already I have discussed this point. Google is there, Yahoo is there, Bing is there. Right. So Google is one of the most popular search engine. Google is one of the most popular search engine and has been founded by Larry Page and Brain. Second question.
देख कर नहीं
Next question. Dash is regarded as the founder of World Wide Web. So the answer is Tim Berners-Lee. Answer is Tim Berners. Berners. Tim Berners-Lee. Tim Berners-Lee is regarded as the founder of World Wide Web. Third question. Question number third. The next one is third question. Web browser. Web browser is a web browser is a special web browser is a special program open websites. Web browser is a special program to open websites. Yes or no? Everyone tell me, problem is solved or not? Now, so up to here everyone completed? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now the next one is answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Third one is answer the following So first question is answer the following. First question. What is the first question is what is internet? Explain any two usage. Explain any two usage. So answer everyone. Write the answer. Explain any two. Explain any two. So the answer is internet is a what is internet? Internet is a right. Internet is a collection of what? Network. It is a collection of network. Or you can also write in the bracket internet is a, or like this you can write, or this is one of the definition. What is internet? So this is one of the definition, or you can write like this also, or either you can write like this, or second definition also you can write. Internet is a internet is a network of network. Both definition is correct. दोनों में से कोई भी लिख सकते हैं एक. Any one you can write, either this definition or this one also. Next part of the same question is explain any two usage. So answer everyone. Answer. The following are the two usage of internet. Following are the two uses of internet. So first one is we can perform banking operations using internet. Second, we can take appointment in the hospital using internet. So these are the two uses of internet. Not only these, lot of uses of internets are there, but in the question only two uses is asking. So these are the two uses of internet. Another usage also, right? We can book what? Air ticket or railway ticket. We can book air ticket or railway ticket. Everyone done?
No, sir, not done.
So do it, complete it. So remaining three questions we will discuss in the next class. That means tomorrow. And tomorrow we will revise also for your PT9 exam. PT9 एग्जाम के लिए कल हम लोग रिवाइज भी करेंगे और जो बचा हुआ क्वेश्चन उसको भी कवर करेंगे. Okay? Bye everyone. So this I will share in the group also. Don't worry. Bye. Class is over.
Bye, sir.